Got the parts in for this Cobra. Got a brand new piston kit in. I got a bunch of gaskets and stuff there to finish this job off. I've already got this torqued down to about 50 pounds or so, 40 something pounds. I went ahead and put a little bit of 2-stroke oil inside of my crank rod. Got this nut torqued down. I do need to double check this one, and we'll do that right now. Go to put your piston in. Your arrow always goes towards your exhaust. So we'll go ahead and get that in. I'm going to put one clip on this side already. This is a Wiseco piston for this, and this is actually a 60 or 65 kit. It's definitely a cheaper kit in this bike, which is cool. So I'm going to get my Allen wrenches, check my water pump, and then we'll start putting the piston top end on. Roller bearings in. There's my pin. I've already got some 2-stroke oil on it. Alright, we got the clips in there now. Wrist pins in there. We're going to get our base gasket ready. I use gray Permatex on this anyway, so that's what we're going to do on that. The rest of them are all rubber O-rings and stuff. Alright, got our top on. I probably should have bought a gasket set. Didn't know what all I was going to have to do to this thing, so I ended up ordering part after part and finally get her going. So now we're going to deal with our cap, and we've got a bunch of rubber O-rings in there, so we'll get that handled right now. Alright, we got our rubber O-rings on there. I got my yellow one in there, so we're about ready to bolt this sucker back together. And yeah, alright, here we go. Alright, tried to put my cap back on and my gasket fell out, so I'm going to show you all a little trick. Get you a little bit of, I call it glue for this occasion, grease. You can touch just a couple of that little bit of grease, very thin layer, and put that back on there and it'll stick and it will work out for you. Hide and watch. Alright, so I used a very thin layer of grease on there, and now it's going to stay on. So we will put the cap on. Alright, so that'll mount up. Got 4 washers on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That didn't sound good over there. And then we got some 7mm. We'll get these torqued down. Where'd my other one go? Read it now. We got a Honda TRX out there that just started clicking. Alright, get these torqued down. I have to look up the torque specifications. I'm sure it's probably about 40-50 pounds. Usually I can do it pretty good by hand.